Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add glow effects in Camtasia. So firstly all you have to go to the media file first, then choose the file and drag it to the timeline. Then you'll find here visual effects, click on visual effects. Then you'll find here glow. Okay, just left click and hold for 1 second, then drag it to the timeline. You can see that color has changed and it is glow. If you turn off this, it is like this, and if you turn on this, the glow will be like this. You can change the customize here. If you want to increase the radius, it will be like this. You can decrease the radius also, that's up to you. Intensity, here you can find the intensity. It will be like this here, and if you increase this, it will be like here. So it's up to you how much intensity or glow you want. So you can see the scale here, that's normal. You can do it here like feet, and then you can use this scale and leveling up to the here. Then you can change the color also. If you want to green color, you can make it green, blue, that should be normal. So basically this is how you can do this, and this is the settings you want to customize as like yourself. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.